Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English with Tom and Anna.
Hello, guys. We are very happy to see you here again.
Yes, thank you so much for coming back to learn English with us.
And today we have a very interesting lesson for all English learners.
Exactly. Today we will learn three very useful words.
And those words are get, getting, and got.
Yes, many students see these words every day.
But many students feel confused.
Very true.
Sometimes I feel confused too.
Don't worry, Anna.
Good, because I think many viewers feel the same.
Exactly. And today we will make everything easy.
So, guys, in this lesson, you will learn everything about get, getting, and got.
We will teach meaning.
We will teach differences,
We will teach where to use each word.
and we will teach in which tense we use them.
We will also learn sentence patterns,
Positive sentences too,
negative sentences too,
questions too,
daily life English examples too,
spoken English examples too.
and very common mistakes students make.
So after this lesson, you will understand these words completely.
Exactly.
So, Tom, can we start?
Of course.
I am ready.
Great.
So first, tell me something.
Sure.
What is the basic meaning of get?
Very good question.
Thank you.
The word get has many meanings.
Many meanings?
Yes, that is why students get confused.
So what is the first meaning?
The first meaning is receive.
Receive?
Yes,
Can you give an example?
sure.
I am listening.
I get a message every morning.
So here, get means receive?
Exactly.
Okay.
Another example.
Yes.
I get many emails every day.
Very easy.
Good. What is another meaning of get?
Get can also mean become.
Become?
Yes.
Example, please.
I get tired after work.
Oh,
Here, get means become.
so I become tired after work.
Exactly.
Nice. Another example.
Yes.
She gets angry quickly.
That means she becomes angry quickly.
Perfect.
Very interesting.
Now remember something important.
What?
Get is the base form.
Base form means original form?
Exactly.
So when do we use get?
Mostly present simple tense.
Can you explain simply?
Sure.
I am ready.
We use get with I.
Okay.
We use get with you.
Okay.
We use get with we.
Okay.
And we use get with they.
Can you give examples?
Yes.
Go ahead.
I get good marks.
Nice.
You get free time on Sunday.
Easy.
We get many customers.
Good.
They get homework daily.
Very clear.
Now listen carefully.
Okay.
With he, she, and it, we usually say gets.
Oh, yes.
For example,
Tell me.
he gets nervous.
Good.
She gets happy.
Nice.
It gets hot in summer.
Very easy.
Now let us talk about negative sentences.
I think this is important.
Very important.
How do we make negative sentences?
We use do not or does not.
Okay.
Example,
Yes.
I do not get enough sleep.
Good.
You do not get my point.
Easy.
He does not get jokes.
Very nice.
She does not get angry easily.
Can I make one?
Of course.
She does not gets angry.
Almost correct.
Oh no.
Many students make this mistake.
Really?
Yes,
So what is correct?
she does not get angry.
No gets?
No,
Why?
because after does not, we use the base form.
So not gets.
Exactly.
Only get.
Perfect.
I understand now.
Great job. Now, what about questions?
Very easy.
Tell us.
We use do or does.
Okay.
Example.
Yes. Do you get my message?
Simple.
Does he get enough rest?
Easy.
Do they get salary on Friday?
Good example.
Now, WH questions.
I like WH questions.
Good.
Go ahead.
Where do you get your clothes?
Nice.
Why does he get angry?
Very useful.
How do you get to school?
I hear this sentence a lot.
Yes.
What does get mean there?
Great question.
Thank you.
There, get means arrive.
Oh.
For example,
Yes.
I get home at 6 p.m.
So get means arrive home.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Now let us move to getting.
I see getting everywhere.
Yes, because getting is very common.
So what is getting?
Getting is the ing form of get.
ING form?
Yes,
So when do we use getting?
usually in continuous tense.
Can you explain simply?
Sure.
I am listening.
Look at this sentence.
Okay.
I am getting tired.
Oh, yes.
This means I am becoming tired now.
So something is happening now.
Exactly.
Very easy.
Another example.
Yes.
She is getting ready.
That means she is preparing now.
Exactly.
Good.
Another example.
Tell me.
We are getting late.
I use this sentence a lot.
Many people do.
Can we use getting in present continuous?
Yes.
Can we use getting in past continuous?
Yes.
Really?
Absolutely.
Example, please.
I was getting hungry.
Nice.
They were getting ready.
Easy.
Now sentence pattern.
This is important.
Very important.
Tell us.
Subject plus am, is, are plus getting.
Example, please.
I am getting better.
Good.
He is getting stronger.
Nice.
They are getting serious.
Very clear.
Now negative sentences.
Okay.
Subject plus am not, is not, are not plus getting.
Example, please.
I am not getting sleep.
Good.
She is not getting better.
Easy.
We are not getting enough practice.
Nice.
Now questions.
Tell me.
Am I getting better?
Good.
Is he getting angry?
Easy.
Are they getting ready?
Very simple.
Now I want to test you.
Oh no.
Do not worry.
Okay.
Make one sentence with getting.
She getting ready.
Almost correct.
Again, mistake?
Yes.
Help me.
We need helping verb.
So what is correct?
She is getting ready.
Ah, yes.
Never forget am, is, are.
Very important.
Exactly.
Guys, pause the video and make one sentence with getting.
Yes, practice right now.
And comment your sentence below.
We will be very happy to read it.
I'm learning a lot.
Great.
But we still have got.
Yes,
And I think many students get confused with got.
exactly.
So please explain got carefully.
Of course. Now let us understand the word got.
Yes, I really want to learn this one.
Good, because got is very important in English.
So first, tell me one thing.
Sure.
What exactly is got?
Got is the past form of get.
Past form?
Yes,
So get becomes got.
exactly.
Can you show a simple example?
Of course.
I am ready.
Today I get many emails.
Present tense.
Correct.
And past?
Yesterday I got many emails.
Oh,
So got shows something happened in the past.
very easy.
Another example.
Yes.
I got a gift yesterday.
So I received a gift yesterday.
Exactly.
Good.
Another example.
Tell me.
She got sick last night.
Here, got means became,
Perfect.
so she became sick.
Exactly.
Interesting.
Now remember this.
Okay.
Get is present.
Right.
Getting usually shows action happening now.
Right.
Got shows past.
Now I understand the difference.
Very good.
Can you compare all three together?
Absolutely.
Go ahead.
Listen carefully.
Okay.
I get tired after work.
Present habit.
Correct.
Next.
I am getting tired now.
Happening now.
Exactly.
Next.
I got tired after the meeting.
Past action.
Perfect.
Very nice comparison.
Now let us learn sentence pattern with got.
Okay.
Subject plus got is object.
Example, please.
I got a letter.
Easy.
He got a new phone.
Good.
They got tickets.
Simple.
Now negative sentences.
How do we make negative?
Usually we use did not.
Okay.
Subject plus did not plus get.
Wait.
Yes,
Why not got?
excellent question.
Thank you.
Because after did, we use base form.
So, not got?
No,
Then correct sentence,
I did not get the email.
not I did not got the email?
Exactly.
I think many students make this mistake.
Yes,
Can I try?
sure.
She did not got the job.
Almost correct.
Again, mistake.
No problem.
Tell me the answer.
She did not get the job.
Because after did, we use get.
Exactly.
I will remember this.
Good job.
Now questions.
Very easy.
Tell us.
Did plus subject plus get.
Example.
Did you get my message?
Easy.
Did she get the package?
Good.
Did they get permission?
Simple.
Now WH questions.
Yes.
Where did you get this bag?
Nice.
When did he get home?
Good.
How did you get this information?
Very useful.
Now let us do real spoken English examples.
I love spoken English practice.
Good.
Start.
Imagine you call your friend.
Okay.
You say,
Yes.
"Did you get my text?"
Very common sentence.
Exactly.
Next.
A mother says,
Okay.
"Are you getting ready?"
Very common.
Next.
Yes.
A student says,
Tell me.
"I got good marks."
Nice.
A worker says,
Okay.
"I get tired after work."
Very natural English.
Exactly.
Now can we practice conversation?
Absolutely.
Let's begin.
Hey, Anna, did you get my email?
Yes, I got it this morning.
Great.
I am getting ready for work now.
Good.
I usually get many emails every day.
Excellent.
Was that correct?
Perfectly correct.
Yay!
Now let us look at common mistakes.
Important section.
Very important.
Start.
Wrong sentence.
Okay.
I am get tired. Correct sentence.
I am getting tired.
Excellent.
Next.
Wrong sentence.
Okay.
Yesterday, I get a gift.
That sounds wrong.
Yes.
Correct sentence is,
Tell us.
yesterday I got a gift.
Perfect.
Next.
Wrong sentence.
Okay.
She did not got the answer.
Correct sentence is,
Yes.
she did not get the answer.
Excellent.
I'm improving.
You really are.
Now I want a quick quiz.
Great idea.
Guys, answer with us.
Ready?
Ready.
Sentence number 1.
Go ahead.
Yesterday, I blank a new phone.
I know this.
Answer.
Got.
Correct.
Next.
I am blank hungry now.
Getting.
Exactly.
Next.
I usually blank coffee in the morning.
Get.
Perfect.
This is fun.
Learning English should be fun.
True.
Now, memory trick.
I like memory tricks.
Very simple.
Tell us.
Think about time.
Time?
Yes.
Explain.
Present habit equals get.
Okay.
Action happening now equals getting.
Easy.
Past action equals got.
That is easy to remember.
Exactly.
Can we do quick revision?
Of course.
Get means receive, become, arrive.
Correct.
Getting shows action happening now.
Exactly.
Got shows past action.
Perfect.
Get for present.
Yes.
Getting for continuous tense.
Correct.
Got for past tense.
Exactly.
I feel much more confident now.
And we hope all our viewers feel confident too.
Guys, remember something important.
English becomes easy when you practice every day.
Do not be afraid of mistakes.
Mistakes help you learn faster.
Practice these 3 words today.
Make your own sentences.
Write your example in the comments.
We love reading your comments.
And tell us if this lesson helped you.
If you enjoyed learning with us,
Please support the channel.
subscribe to English with Tom and Anna.
Like this video.
Share it with your friends.
And keep practicing English every single day.
You are improving.
You can do it.
Keep learning
Keep growing.
and never stop practicing English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
We will see you again very soon.
Bye, everyone.
Take care and keep speaking English every day.